for watching this video, and I hope you're going to like this video. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. So, bye!
Hi mga besh, good afternoon. I hope you're all doing well. Palabas ako. Actually, kakatapos ko lang sa aking lecture, online lecture, and now I'm going out to meet my classmate kasi magkikita lang kami mga besh. We're going to eat lunch and mag-window shopping mga besh. Ayan mga besh, andito na kami. It's a buffet. So pakita ko yung mga pagkain nila. Ang dami mga besh. Ayan. Ang lalaki siguro ba na siya buang, mas siguro yung bayanan eh. Ito yung sa akin mga besh. Ayan yung food namin mga besh. Kain, tubig para healthy. Hi mga besh, hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Nakapunta na kami ng Sara, Mango. Nakabili na din ako sa Mango pero hindi nakalimut na ako mag-vlog after naming kumain. So right now andito kami sa shoe shop. Ang dami nilang sale as in 50% off mga besh. Tingnan nyo mga besh ha. Alam mga besh, uy akong agtang no dako dito. But anyway, kakasiparate ko lang sa aking classmate and now I'm in the food shop kasi bibili ako ng aming hamburger for our dinner mga besh. So kunin ko muna yung mga ingredient mga besh ha. Ayan mga besh, I'm back home. So ito na yung nabili natin. We're going to do hamburger for dinner. So beef, ayan, and then tomato, onion, hamburger bread, tapos dalawang maliit na cola mga besh kasi I did it for intention para hindi masyadong maraming sugar mga besh. So yan yung binili ko. So gawa muna ako ng dinner cake kasi gutom na ang aking mga bitches.
And guys, in 7 days, it's my birthday.
Yay!
And what do you call it? Because and I'm going to do to the doctor to see why I can't smell.
Because you are a bitch, I think.
No, Mom. I have this in my life.
Okay.
I'm sad.
Ayan mga besh, frying na yung beef natin as usual. Hindi ko na nilagyan ng mantika kasi lalabas naman yung its own mantika later on mga besh. Actually, ang bilis lang ng dinner na to. Fry lang yung beef and then that's it. Slice the vegetables and then that's it mga besh. Ang dali lang. And nasa bahay na ako, pagod ako. It's actually 7:20 na mga besh. Ang tagal kong nakauwi ng bahay from Lakwatsa with my friend, but you know that already, pag lumalabas ako with friends, as in, ang tagal kong umuwi ng bahay. Pero okay lang naman yung Sky Hubby. It's no problem at all. Mother came late, right? Very late.
5 hours. She has been out almost 5 hours.
Yes.
I came and then saw she was out 5 hours.
Yes. It's only Camila is not liking it. Hubby, it's okay with Hubby.
I actually liked it because we ate much Pringles. We ate the whole Pringles, and then I ate Ota, and yeah.
Oh my God, that's why she liked it. Mother is away because she can eat unhealthy food, right?
But I drank water.
Yeah.
But I drank water after I ate Ota.
Okay, good. You can slice the vegetable
No.
now. So come,
No.
I need to look at the beef now because it's getting burned.
So guys, I actually gave this to my mom and dad is right there. Because thank you for because they are the best parents I ever had.
Oh.
I've said that to other I have.
The best you've ever had, huh?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ayan mga best, nirigaluhan ako ni Camila ng chocolate because I am the best mother in the world. She
Nope.
say it.
The best she ever had.
Yeah, shut up. And daddy, for the best ever daddy she had. So ayan, ino-open niya, which is, alam ko naman mga best na baka papunta tong chocolate sa kanya. She's opening it and she's going to eat it. Look delicious. Nabis ito din after moten. Mga besh, Camila's helping me to chop the tomato and cucumber. And then later on, after maluto na yung beef natin, we're going to fry this onion kasi hindi ako kumakain ng raw onion. I don't like it. But when it's fried, it's very delicious. I like it. So, ayan. Our beef is almost done. See, mga besh, lumabas na yung kanyang own oil, mga besh. So, hindi na kailangan maglagay ng oil, mga besh. Malapit na actually itong maluto. Yan, mga besh, yung onion na naman yung lutuin natin. And here's our beef. Ayan, luto na siya, mga besh. Luto na naman ako. Kanina actually din sa buffet, ang dami kong nakain. Pero ewan ko, for some reason, I'm still hungry. Maybe because naglakad kami and I actually finished the 10,000 steps dun sa phone ko kasi mayroon akong parang app. So, kain na naman mga besh, no? Kasi baka, I think I lose 120 something while walking for 10,000 steps. So, kain na naman natin mga besh. Balik natin yung 200 calories na nawala sa akin. So, but I'm actually hungry. So, kakain ako ng isang hamburger lang mga besh. And pakita ko mamaya, meron akong nabili na para siyang blouse galing Mango and isang lipstick from Laura Mercier. Laura Mercier. Ganun ba yun? Actually, suot ko siya. So, pakita ko mamaya mga besh. Besh, eating time. The Winter Home family is crazy on my background. So, ayan, besh. Kain. Kain. Here's the more beach.
My dad used to.
Hello, mga bitch.
Kain, mga bitch. Kain, mga bitch. Ay, mga besh. Yung akin mga besh. Haha, shut up.
Mga bitch.
Si Camila. Kula! Sorry, long. Mga bitch there. So,
She
kain.
meant mga bitch.
Kain, mga besh. Ayan mga besh, kakatapos lang namin kumain. So, pakita ko yung binili ko sa Mango. Isa lang actually ko. Ito lang siya mga besh. Oh, ang cute niya. Ano siya, para siyang sweater. I really like the color kasi para siyang nakakayaman mga besh. It's very, very clean siya mga besh. So, yan. Ito lang yung nabili natin mga besh. And then, yung next na nabili ko is itong Laura Mercier na lipstick. This is actually on sale and ito yung kulay niya. Ayan, kasi meron akong nakita yung basta sa Facebook mga besh and she has a pink na lipstick, so na-inspired ako. It's actually first na Laura Mercier ko na lipstick and it's in pink mga besh. Ayan siya. Hindi siya actually masyadong marami. So, try natin dito ha, para makita nyo yung kulay. Kung pwede dito. Ayan mga besh. Actually, I really like the color. It's very, yung freshan lang yung kulay niya mga besh. Meron ako actually pink na kulay, pero hindi ko lipstick, pero hindi ko na siya mahanap, kaya ito, bumili ako. It's actually very cute. Magnetic closure siya. See? First na Laura Mercier ko na lipstick. So, this is how it looks like. I actually like it. Yung classmate ko sabi niya, maganda din siya. Hindi siya dry, parang semi siya, hindi siya dry, and hindi din siya masyadong yung ano ba yun, yung basa? Ano bang tawag niyan? Oy, basta. Yan mga besh, yun lang yung nabili ko. But anyway, I think I will end the vlog here kasi si Camila is brushing her teeth and then magre-reading na kami and then that's it for tonight. We're going to sleep. So maraming salamat sa pagsabay sa aking vlog for today. Sana na-enjoy nyo yung vlog natin today. And yes mga besh, maraming salamat and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And please, if you watch this video, sana mag-comment kayo kasi there's something about Google algorithm. Hindi ko masabi basta mga show. So mag-comment kayo please and yes, I will see you on my next vlog mga besh. You take care. Bye.